Here's my potato plant update. This was sown around the 31st of July this year. I feel like it still has about 4 more weeks, but you can see some of these have started to die back. These were sown about 2 weeks after from literally peels, like I didn't sow any full potatoes. I just kind of cut off the peels and just put them in. For this, I didn't sow any full potatoes or any seed potatoes. I just divided potatoes I bought from the grocery store. I just cut, in some cases I cut one potato into two and planted them in different parts of the bag, the grow bag. So that's literally how I got this. It seems to be doing really well, and I'm proud of this one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bags, grow bags, and then this bed has potatoes that basically regrew. So I had planted about 2 years ago, and I think these ones were in the ground, and I noticed some leaves when I was mowing the lawn, and I kind of identified them to be potatoes. So I started to water it, fed it some manure, some fertilizer, and it's just grown back on its own. I did hide some little scraps, potato scraps after peeling them inside the bed. So those are probably the shorter ones, like that one. This is a weed, so it's not a potato, but this one was from scrap. Basically peeled potato and just put the back in there. So that's my update for my potatoes. And hopefully in about 3-4 weeks I should make another video showing the harvest.